Hi guys, this is Mark. This is that textbook entry on the Euro Pound I showed you yesterday. Price came up within 3 pips as touched my entry. It is currently 90 pips in profit. Why has there been such a big move on the Euro Pound today? Well, as ever, it comes down to news. And the news today was positive for the Brits in that the retail sales was much better than expected. And obviously if people are spending money, that is good for growth and that is good for the economy. So that's a positive for the pound. And then the Eurozone, things are getting worse. Anything below 50 is seen as recessionary. And now French flash services are now below 50 and the expectation was 52.2. German is even worse than expected and is now well below, and officially Germany is in a recession. Your flash manufacturing Eurozone in general is poor. So all of these are negative, and the Brits again have a mixed bag, but their flash services PMI is better than expected, and manufacturing in the UK at the moment now is not so important in the UK. It's the services that are most important, whereas with Germany it's more to do with manufacturing is more important than services. So that's why it's done what it's done. The net result has been that today this pair has moved 73 pips when the average is 42. It looks like now it is pulling back. And if you recall, I had a 30 pip stop on this. It's now, at the moment, 83 in profit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to close half of this trade because I think that fundamentally it makes sense. This could well keep going. In fact, let's take 60% off. So we've banked a reasonable amount. And then I'm going to leave the balance to run. And the area that interests me here is in here. So I'm going to move it just above the 4-hour 55 EMA, which is obviously the 200 EMA on the 1 hour as well. So I'm going to put my stop on the balance in here, let's say 85.80, and leave this thing to run. And now it's a fingers crossed trade, but it's risk free, completely risk free, so free chips in a casino. If it comes back and takes me out, it will have taken me out plus 50, so I'm still going to net more than twice what I risked, which is the minimum I look for. The other one finally is the New Zealand dollar CAD, and again almost perfect entry I showed you last week, and this now is 190 pips in profit. I currently have the stop here at 70. If you recall, I took 75% of this trade off. I'm going to leave the stop where it is. I'm going to give it some room to go because I've now moved my target way down here, and the target is based on the recent low from September of last year. So there's the potential for this last quarter to go 500, possibly 600 or 700 pips. Okay, I hope you had a great week. I will be back with you early next week. Catch you later. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel.